In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from 1password with ease and confidence. This tutorial will guide you step by step through the process, ensuring you can securely manage and share your passwords and sensitive information. So, let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to the 1password website. This can be done simply by opening your web browser and heading to the 1password homepage. Once you're there, the initial step involves logging into your account. You can do this by clicking on the Login button, usually located at the top right of the homepage. Enter your credentials carefully, your email and master password, to access your account. Remember, your master password is the key to your kingdom, so keep it secure and never share it with anyone. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your personal 1password home. From this dashboard, you'll see a variety of options to manage your digital life. What you're looking for here is your vault. Think of it as a secure digital lockbox where all your passwords and sensitive information are kept. Locate the Vault button and click on it. This will bring up all the vaults you have within your account. Next, our goal is to share or export the information stored in your vault. To do this, you'll need to identify the specific vault or item you wish to export. Once you've located it, you'll see an option labeled Share. Click on this to proceed. Sharing in 1password allows you to securely send your chosen items to another person, but it also serves as a tool for exporting your information. At this point, you'll typically see several options depending on how and where you want to share or send your information. These could include generating a secure link to share with trusted contacts or saving your data in a file format that you prefer. Choose the format that suits your needs best. Commonly, you're looking at options like CSV or other file types that are easy to download and store elsewhere. Now, before you finish up, let's go over a few vital points. Always double-check your selected items in the vault before exporting them. Make sure you're comfortable with how and with whom you're sharing your data. Remember, sharing responsibly is key to maintaining your security. After making these considerations, go ahead and follow the prompts to complete your export. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through exporting from 1password. With these steps, managing your passwords and sensitive information becomes a streamlined, worry-free process. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to like and subscribe for more tutorials, and let us know in the comments if there are other topics you'd like us to cover. Stay safe and secure.